Okay, take two. All right, we got a Rheem Criterion 2 gas furnace. It's configured for downflow operation. That means the fresh air supply is above it, and that's where the filters are. So this is the filter box up here. I don't know if it's a Rheem provided or Rheem branded accessory or not. My dad put it in here, so anyway, that's how this one works. The fresh air comes from the top, and the blower's in here, and the furnace is down here, the burning element and all that kind of crap, and then there's the gas supply. Anyway, I'm going to take these doors off, and then I can show you the rest of this. Bear with me. And they're pretty easy to get off. You can kind of watch. You basically watch, and you lift the upper one up, and it comes right off. And I'll show you another thing in there. Hold on. I don't know if you can see that, but it just basically sets up in here, slides down, and it's kind of a press fit, kind of. Up here is where it kind of presses in. Just lift up, and it comes right off. And here's an item I want to show you. See that plunger right there? I believe that disconnects the furnace altogether, won't allow it to operate, so it's kind of a nice little safety mechanism. And if you're uncomfortable with sticking your mitts and stuff like this, I understand. You know, don't do this if you don't know what you're doing at all and you think you're going to electrocute yourself or whatever. Anyway, hang on, I'm going to set up some light here. Take this other door off too. Okay, so in here, just for your information, your furnace model number's up in there on that piece of paper right there. I didn't find anything that showed you where that is, and I just discovered it by pure accident, basically. And then there's your burners and stuff, as you can see. And then up here, let me get the tripod configured. I don't know if you can see or not, but see up in there? This is where the filters are. There's one on each side. If you have like a 17.5-inch wide furnace, which is what this is, they basically are up in there, and you got to mind which way the filter flow goes, of course, but you got to kind of slide them through this slot over here to the left, and then kind of bend them and push them up in there, because there's no access anywhere else that I can see. And then on this, in the middle of it is a piece of channel. You can see that it's kind of rested right there on the edge. And I believe this is the right size filter, even though it is kind of, you got to mangle it a bit to get them in there. And then the other one I put in from this side as well. And I don't think you can even see. Maybe I grab the light here. You can't really see it. It's up in there, same situation. It's angled toward the center, and mind the flow. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right up in there. And actually, I think I put that one in. No, I think I did come from this side here. It's a headache, and you might cut your skin with sharp sheet metal in there, so be real careful. Kind of a pain in the butt, but now it's done, and I didn't find anything on the internet that said anything. I mean, it kind of, there was a drawing of it or something, but wasn't very clear. And then the blower's there. And I guess these filters just keep the blower from getting a bunch of dust in the blower itself rather than filtering fresh air or whatever. Anyway, thought it would be helpful. That's all I got. Out.